According to The Fly, research analysts at B. Riley reduced AMC Entertainment's target price from $7.50 to $4.50 in a research note issued on Tuesday. B. Riley's target price implies a potential 10.57% increase from the company's present price. But will AMC's troubles affect its landlord, EPR Properties? Several other research analysts have lately published findings on AMC as well. Citigroup reduced their price target on AMC Entertainment shares from $1.20 to $1.10 in a report on Friday, November 25th. On Wednesday, October 12th, StockNews.com began coverage on AMC Entertainment shares. They gave the company a sell rating. Finally, in a report on Tuesday, September 6th, MKM Partners decreased their target price on AMC Entertainment shares to 50 cents. 3 research analysts have given the stock a sell recommendation, while 2 have given it a hold rating. MarketBeat.com data shows that the business has an average rating of reduce with a target price of $3.12. And now about the AMC stock prices. On Tuesday, AMC stock opened at $4.07. The company's 50-day simple moving average is $6.18, while its 200-day simple moving average is $6.11. The stock has a $2.1 billion market capitalization, a PE ratio of -2.97, and a beta of 1.77. AMC Entertainment has a 1-year low of $3.81 and a 1-year high of $34.33. Citigroup said on November 25 that the price objective they had set for AMC stock shares had been cut from $1.20 per share to $1.10 per share. StockNews.com began covering AMC Entertainment shares on Wednesday, October 12, marking the company's first day of coverage. They proposed selling some of the company's stock. Furthermore, MKM Partners stated in a report issued on Tuesday, September 6, that the price objective they set for AMC stock shares has been decreased to 50 cents. This information was part of the report that was made public. When surveyed, 3 research specialists urged selling the stock, while the other 2 suggested keeping it in one's portfolio. According to Bloomberg.com, the company's share price is now forecast to reach $3.12, and the average advice is to decrease the company's share price. AMC stock was selling at $4.07 per share when trading began on Tuesday. The company's simple moving average price over the last 50 days is $6.18, and the simple moving average price over the last 200 days is $6.11. The stock now has a market capitalization of $2.1 billion, a price-to-earnings ratio of -2.97, and a beta value of 1.77. Over the course of a year, the price of AMC stock can range between $3.81 and $34.33. In the most recent period, there have been rises and decreases in the number of shares held by significant investors in AMC. In the first 3 months of the year, Invesco Limited raised its ownership of AMC Entertainment stock by 418.4% over the previous quarter. Following the purchase of an additional 2,126,916 shares during the most recent quarter, Invesco Limited now owns a total of 2,635,266 shares of the business. Invesco Limited's stock holdings are now currently at $64,934,000. Over the second quarter, Millennium Management LLC effectively increased its holdings in AMC Entertainment by 225.3%. Millennium Management LLC now owns 2,824,206 shares of the company's stock, up from 1,955,987 shares in the previous quarter. Millennium Management LLC's stock holdings are currently at $38,268,000. Vanguard Group Incorporated boosted its holdings of AMC Entertainment shares by 3.5% during the third quarter of the current fiscal year. Vanguard Group Incorporated has purchased an additional 1,682,299 shares of the company, increasing its total number of shares to 49,270,302. The current market value of these shares is $343,413,000. Cubist Systematic Strategies LLC increased its holdings of AMC shares by 1,349.6% during the second quarter. Cubist Systematic Strategies LLC now owns 844,373 shares of the corporation stock after purchasing an additional 786,124 shares during the most recent quarter. Cubist Systematic Strategies LLC shares of stock in the company are worth $11,441,000 each. Finally, Aviva plc increased its holdings of AMC Entertainment stock by 9,988.8% during the third quarter. Aviva plc now owns 795,584 shares in the company, valued at $5,545,000 after acquiring additional purchases totaling 723,180 shares during the most recent quarter. These shares were purchased after the corporation made further purchases totaling 723,180 shares during the previous quarter. Institutions currently possess 26.14% of all outstanding shares of stock. If you're into the Tesla stock and would like to know about the updates and predictions for this year, then click the video you see on your screen.